Have you ever seen how fly ash bricks are made in the factory? The interesting process starts with collecting the raw materials. Next, all the raw materials are added into the hopper. Then the mixture and other ingredients are fed into the pan mixer using a conveyor belt. Next, the prepared mixture is loaded into a hydraulic press machine and then poured into the mould and pressed. After pressing, these blocks are placed on wooden pallets and then sent for the curing process. After that, to remove moisture, all the bricks are placed in sunlight. After the drying process, prepared bricks are loaded into the truck and are ready to dispatch. Finally, the strong fly ash bricks are ready to construct buildings.